Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dental Mitra. It's great to have you all stay on to yet another to the launch of yet another of my short videos in this series on general awareness on dental health. It gives me immense pleasure actually because so many of you are interested in the topic, and you must have noticed that I have been laying a lot of a lot of emphasis on the significance of dental health and also the importance of maintaining it so that it lasts your lifetime. This is because, as I said, we have been restored with just 2 sets of teeth in our entire lifetime. One is obviously lost in our childhood. We cannot do anything about that because it's a part of a natural process. And the second one, with which we are currently carrying on with our chewing and grinding and digestive activities, it is important to take immense care of it, because ultimately, as we know, it is going to be the one and only one for our lifetime. We are going to need it for the entire chewing process, and if it gets affected, our digestion will suffer. So I think we have said enough on the significance of the dentition, on the need to maintain it, etc. Now let's move on to the specifics of what should be incorporated in our daily routines in order to ensure that our dentition stays strong and effective, efficient for our lifetime. What I'm going to share is not something that's new to you, it's not something that you have not heard of, and definitely it's not something that you're not already engaging in. It's just that I'm going to give emphasis again on the importance of each step of your routine daily dental care, because since this happens to be the first activity of the day, and since we have been doing this over the years, maybe it has lost its importance it has become routine, and so it's not as important as other activities of our life is assuming. So most of us are in a great hurry to complete our morning tasks and then reach our place of work. Say taking bath and then having our breakfast and then darting out of the house so that we reach our workplace on time. So with this being the daily routine, not much time is being devoted to a very important activity, that is brushing. Most of us just apply some paste on the brush and then just few strokes here and there around the mouth, and then we're done with the entire brushing process, and we just jump on to the next activity of the day, most probably rushing into the bathroom for having our wash. So, and then we are on to our breakfast and then out of the house to reach our workplace. So what this is doing is that our brushing is getting neglected. We are definitely brushing every day, but the amount of time that would generally be required for a normal brushing activity is very, very less for most of us. I would like to remind you that every tooth has a minimum of 5 surfaces. 3 of them are very obvious. The one which is towards the cheek, one which is towards the tongue, and the grinding surface. But we must realize that there are 2 other surfaces. One is the junction with the previous tooth, and the other one the junction with the next tooth or the successive tooth. So when we are actually taking the brush across our mouth, we should keep in our mind that we are to address every aspect of the tooth. None of the part of the tooth which I have mentioned should get neglected. Very important to ensure that a minimum of few strokes should be applied at every aspect of the teeth. For example, if we are applying a couple of strokes per surface, it's at least 10 strokes per tooth, and when we have 32 of them, there must be a minimum of 320 seconds that needs to be applied while brushing our teeth. But if you see, 320 seconds would be almost 5 minutes, but the brushing activity generally gets done within a minute or two, and most of the people consider it to be done. So this is not actually enough. If you realize the teeth is engaged in the chewing process the entire day, maybe 3 or 4 meals a day. So what happens is a lot of food gets stuck from the surface of the teeth. Most of them washed out while drinking the water, while swishing some water, gargling and things like that. Or probably even the action of our tongue will remove most of the food, some action of our cheek, etc. But yet, some part of the food is definitely going to get left behind in some aspect of the teeth, and so it is important that we remove this with taking special care and ensure that everything is out of the mouth, out of the teeth. So it's important that we consider brushing the second time in a day, just before going to our bed, because we must realize that from the morning our teeth has been grinding and chewing, and so by night a lot of food have got accumulated around it. So just a few gentle strokes, dedicated gentle strokes around the tooth will ensure that most of the food particles are removed, teeth is clean, and so when we hit the bed, there will be nothing left for the bacteria and infecting germs to actually spread any of the infection. It cannot cause any decay or gum issues. And during our sleep, whatever bacterial action happens because of the reduced salivary flow, that will be taken care, because we are going to apply some amount of paste, and that paste is medicated. It has some medication as well as some fluoride, as well as going to take good care of our teeth. So 2 times brushing daily is very important to many of us, especially those who already have dental complaints like decayed teeth and gum issues. So now, since this video is already getting very long, I must wind up here, and I will continue with this same topic in the coming video which I am going to upload soon, and there I shall be explaining the importance of other aspects of our daily dental care routines, and also giving you some more tips on how you can take a proper care of it. So do stay along and do join me back when I am uploading my next video. Until then, it's bye from me here at Dental Mitra, my YouTube channel. Bye guys.